Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to mute notifications on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on settings. Okay, then click on notifications and all option off, and announce notifications. This option is off, and on off, then all apps, then tap on Facebook and tap on off notification and choose another app. Just click messenger and tap on off notification. That's all to mute notifications on iPhone. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.